Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, and I thought it would be fun to do a hair tutorial today. I asked you on Instagram what you would like to see. Waves or curl? Choose twistled waves. I think I said like, you know, like, or like curly, tighter curls. And the winner was waves. And I am also sporting a slightly shorter haircut, and I thought I would just take you through that in case you're interested. I do get asked like, oh, what do you call your haircut? So I can tell my hairdresser kind of thing, you know, and my color and all this stuff. So welcome if you're new, and I hope you subscribe if you're finding me because you like Googled hair tutorial. I do more makeup, but every now and then it's fun. I'm not good at hair, but I like to like curl my hair, wave my hair, that kind of thing. Sometimes I color my hair. So what I told my stylist to do is to give me an inverted, like an A-line haircut. So it's shorter in the back. It's actually kind of poofy. I straightened it right here, but not here. So this is kind of my natural curl. She slightly stacked it. I asked her to stack it just a little bit, not too much, not like a light bulb. And I don't have an undercut, but I did have her cut my underneath hair. I don't know how much you can see. This of my hair always curls and gets really unruly between haircuts, and it kind of makes this doesn't fall as much as I want it to. So we decided just cut it. We don't need it. We don't need it. It's kind of funny to see right here. I'm like, that's my short hair. Okay. I blew it dry. I straightened it. I use heat protectant, all kinds of stuff, but mostly drugstore. So I do have this Rusk serum. Actually, when I say drugstore, I mean like Marshall's Home Goods. This is drugstore. This is Garnier. But this is Living Proof, but I bought it at Marshall's, so, you know. Okay, I already have heat protectant I put in when it was wet, but I'm going to do more. Not so much. Actually, what I'm going to do is I've got this Rusk serum. You can use it wet or dry, little tiny bit. And I'm just kind of making sure that some of the more porous parts of my hair. Oh yeah, I was going to talk about hair color. So I'm Madison Reed color. Ooh, I'm a kind of several colors. I'm Veneto light brown, that's kind of this shade, but then I'm also I've used the vanilla, is it the Sorrento vanilla balayage kit? And I'm also, what's the other one? 8AV. My stylist is so cool. She's like totally fine with me coloring my own hair. When I want to, I just kind of do it whenever. She colors my hair sometimes I color my hair. It's just nice. Sometimes I just get really impatient when my grow out comes out, my gray. I do have gray hair. Okay, so I'm using the Furadin today. I was sent this years ago. I have it linked in my description box with a discount code. It's available on Amazon. I haven't checked the discount code in a long time, so I apologize if that is not working or something. It does have a digital readout so that you can see how hot you make it. I turn mine up to about 380. I'm doing my hair a little bit, I'm trying to use a cooler setting lately. You don't want to fry your hair. I feel like when you smell burnt hair, that's a bad sign. What I'm going to do for underneath, because it's not, you know, it's just kind of there. We just want to kind of give the texture and the, you know, the foundation, I guess, for the style. It's not like you have to really do a lot though underneath. So I've clipped up my hair and I'm just kind of bending it. I'm just kind of clamping it, twisting it. Nothing terribly, you know, requiring a lot of skill. You can go in different directions. This is just kind of, no, I mean, like I said, you're not going to really see it. But if you didn't curl it, it would be something altogether different. And then, you know, maybe that's going to be the new thing. Maybe we should just stop curling the underneath of our hair and just do the top and say, hey, that's what we're doing. And this is this is what's great about that back, that short hair in the back. I'm not curling it. I don't know why I just yelled. I am going to, I'm not going to really work on my hair yet in terms of touching it, that kind of thing, but I want a little ham on that. But I am gonna do a little get in there to start while I have my hair up, right? Might as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a deep part. I could do kind of a middle part, but I think I'm gonna do a deep part. So I'm gonna make sure, this is just for now, I'm gonna clip this. Oh, hello. I make sure I comb through each strand. You want to just get volume at the root, twist, and I release. I'm not gonna leave it up there. I'm not gonna pull through the whole strand, okay? Keeping it pacey. Yeah, okay. Can I see what I'm doing? Yes, okay. Possibly, maybe add one more bend here. I'm feeling a little straight. Okay, that's cool. And then you can kind of, I like to guide them towards my head because, yeah. Now the top layer. So you want to get your part set, which I kind of already have. These are all my little baby hairs. My stylist is so sweet. She's like, I think you're growing those out from taking collagen. Bless you. They're not breakage? All right. I'm gonna go forward with this piece. We're still kind of in the back, so yeah, good, good. I like to do smaller sections of hair on top because that's kind of where you play with your hair. You're gonna handle it, you're gonna, yeah, you want to, I want to have a little more oomph up there. See? You just want to kind of keep it twisting. Keep it twisting. There we go. Make sure your plates on your tools are clean and they're not gummed up with product, so your hair isn't like snagging, kind of skidding, you know what I mean? Trying to make that front piece bent and waved, but not like, oh, curly Q, you know what I mean? It's a little tricky. Oh, that one kind of did. That's okay. That's gonna blend. Yep. Gonna let that cool. I am going to take my comb and just go through and tease some parts at the root, just gently. It's not like, this is not 80s, you know, you're in your PE locker room. I'm just doing a little bit. Yeah. Kind of a swoop. I remember just like going to town with a comb, and it wasn't until I was in my friend's wedding in the like 2001, we all had our hair done, believe it or not, at the same salon, or the owner does Barbara Streisand's hair, or did. And she did not do my hair, and Barbara wasn't there. But for the bridesmaid like wedding style, she did a little back combing, and she was so gentle. And I'm like, oh, is that how you're supposed to back comb? And she's like, yeah, you don't want to like rip into it. I was like, okay. All right, so we've got that going on. I am going, we're not done. I take my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Creme, love this stuff, and I just get a little on my palm and rub it around and just like work it into the ends. I feel like I did a good job conditioning my hair today, and you know, everything, so I feel like my hair feels nice. But I like just having more product that would benefit. Add some shine. Also, yeah, that's okay. I'm like looking at the way the pieces are shaped, and I might want to do that. I don't want to melt my hair with product. All right. Yeah. You know, just get that in there. But I think you can see how everything is just kind of irregular, piecey waves, nothing crazy. We like the little side swoop bang action happening, right? Gonna add some more of that Living Proof. If your hair doesn't hold a style, or if you feel like it does kind of fade after a while, feel free to, you know, be generous with your product. It's definitely going to help you. All right. I'm not going to really hairspray my whole head. I've got tons of stuff going on in here. I am, though, going to take this Garnier. So I was seeing a few other people on YouTube do their hair and talk about product, and apparently a non-aerosol spray like this is a really heavy, like a hard hold, like something that's going to really last all day long. This is Full Control Hairspray, and it is the extra strong hold. So you just kind of want to get that in there. Yeah, in fact, smooth. I'm gonna give this make it straight, because I feel like when it's straight, it looks a little more modern. Why did I say it like that? Whoa, as my hair falls off. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna give you the 360. Okay, here we go. Making sure I'm... Does it look okay in the back? It's probably not that. I might have to go in and do a few more pieces. So, yeah. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. I hope this was fun. And if there's any links, I will leave them down below. Like I said, I usually find my product at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx. So that's just kind of, I find what's on the shelf and get it. But if I find something that you can order online, I will leave it below. And I hope you subscribe to my channel, check out some of my other playlists, videos, that kind of thing. And I'll see you next time. Bye.